Welcome to the Solar Photovoltaic Design and Installation course. This course was created by a solar contractor as a straightforward and actionable guide to teach you how to design and install world-class photovoltaic systems. We are teaching by doing. Rather than just throw a bunch of information at you, I am going to show you what I do, step by step as a professional solar contractor, then teach you why I did it. We will start with an overview of the different types of solar PV, what PV systems are made of, basics of solar panels, different types of grid-tied inverters, and how they work with our power grid. Once we get a handle on the basics, we will move into sizing and designing our first PV system, covering topics like how to do a solar layout with maximum performance that adheres to all local codes and requirements, how to determine how much your layout will produce month by month based on the solar irradiance, efficiency, azimuth, tilt, temperature coefficient, weather patterns, and shading, and how to take advantage of any grants, rebates, incentives, financing, or leasing that may be in your area. Some of the solar-specific engineering concepts that we will go over are risk category, wind exposure, reaction forces, setbacks, pressure zones, snow loading, basic versus ultimate wind speed, and much more. After we have our system designed, we are going to head to the job site and go through an installation, where we will cover safety, code compliance, tools needed, best techniques for doing layout, as well as best practices for installing attachments, rails, junction boxes, conduits, disconnects, and inverters. We will also go over best practices for both AC and DC wire management, interconnection to the grid, initiation and post-installation monitoring. After that, we'll take our knowledge of solar power to the next level with off-grid solar. We will first start out with a simple bare-bones off-grid project, something that you can build at your house for cheap to get your feet wet and start experimenting. Then I will take you along on an off-grid system for an entire house. Just some of the things we will go over are how to size batteries, inverters, PV, wire, lugs, and generators for off-grid, different battery chemistry options, how all the different parts of an off-grid system work together, and special precautions for off-grid. We will also go into great detail of every aspect of our example system, leaving no stone unturned. Whether you want to get a running start in the solar industry, build your own PV system, or make a more informed decision on buying a PV system, this course is for you. You can gain all this knowledge risk-free with our 7-day money-back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? Invest in your future and get started with solar energy.